everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. And we are doing a very late Boxycharm premium unboxing. So I've got the box, I haven't had a chance to film, it's running late. I usually film them together. You've already seen my Luxe unboxing and Get Ready With Me. So we're going to do them separate. Hopefully next month they will arrive around the same time, so we don't have this happen. So this is the premium. So we got some goodies. Let's check out these goodies. I have no idea what's in here. I have not looked yet. Excuse me while I get situated, while I stick the box in front of me. So, glam vibes only. So, let's start with this, because I have a feeling this is a peppermint coffee scrub exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. So we're not going to use that today. Robusta coffee, peppermint oil, and olive oil. And it's by Frank Body, which I have their little coffee thing. I don't even know where it's at. It's in here somewhere. It's in one of my drawers. Or not. I think it's in one of the drawers. So it feels. So it's a peppermint coffee. So for the holidays, that's the best workouts happen in the shower. Wink. Yes, that can happen. It's a whole nother story, and this scrub is not part of that story. Frank Body. Let's see. So this sells for $18.95. So let's put that over there. The next one we have this. Ooh, I like milk. I am so in love with their gel liners. Let's just put that out there. So the milk makeup. Ooh, it's a lip scrub. Is it going to replace my go-to lip scrub? The one that I've used for like 3 years and I can't replace every time I try. I just go back to something else. I'm excited about this one. Kush Lip Scrub. That's very balmy to be a lip scrub. It's got no... Hold on. An exfoliating conditioning lip scrub made with natural sugar crystals and hemp stem exfoliators for softer, smoother, more moisturized lips. Shea, cocoa, and mango butter soften lips, seal in moisture, and improve texture. So I will definitely have to give this a try. And see. But I don't like when they do that extra... Okay, let me show you. This is my... And it's the inexpensive one. And I've bought the expensive ones. I've got the ones in the little tubs. The squirt out tubes. And one of them was from one of my favorite brands. If you guys know me, you know I love like this one brand. And I hated the scrub. And I keep going back to this Revlon one. This Sugar Mint scrub. So we're going to see if this milk... But once again, that's kind of... This is a body thing here. Okay. But I am excited about the lip scrub. Don't get me wrong. I am excited about it. So next we have Emma Hardy Brilliant Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Okay, let's see what it's got. So, it's a Brilliance Facial Oil, hydrating and lightweight. The Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into skin so you can achieve a natural-looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potential essential oils that smooth... Okay, so that one, it rose for $55. And then what we're going to do is... Oh, and the lip scrub goes for $22. Yeah, this feels like a skincare thing. So... Yeah, that's not working for me right at the moment. Okay. What I don't understand... So then we have that one. Since I have so many... You guys have no idea how many facial oils I have right now. Then we have the Ole Henriksen's Fat Glow. This is box 7 too. So this is a high-up box. So this is the Fat, P-H-A-T, Glow Facial. Get flawless skin in a flash with PHA's, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredients. First one-step at-home facial. What makes PHA's so special? They're fat. Literally, like all, yeah. Okay. It is good for age fighting results. It just depends. It's like, let's see what's actually in the ingredients, guys. Glycerin, kaolin. Okay, the kaolin's good. Glycolic acid, but it doesn't say what percent that is. It says, let's get fat, no downtime needed. Packed with polyhydroxy acids, PHAs, to help retexture. This one-step massage activated facial targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. Also hydrates and reveals smoother, instantly more luminous skin. Apply an even layer to clean, dry face. Massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. Okay. It's a face mask, basically. That one's $50. The next one is the Quiche Ice Roll for your overworked, sensitive skin. And I've seen quite a few of my friends have gotten this. So, I haven't decided if I'm keeping that one. Those two, I'll be honest, these two are going to go in a giveaway. They're going to go in my skincare giveaways that I've got going on. Because, yeah. Zinnia, I'm giving away skincare. Just saying. So the only thing, well, no, there's a couple things. Let me take that back. The lip scrub, I'm excited about. The Queen, the Eloise, A Queen Lies in All of Us, the eyeshadow palette. So this seems to be the only thing I'm putting on tonight. See, this is when I needed my Lux, I guess. But, yeah, this is not, my get ready is going to be very, very short. This is going to be a very short video. So it has 20 pigments, 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. I'm interested. I'm so interested. So this pearl, what is it Empire that's considered a pearl? Oh. So look at that color. There's the 3 pinks though. Those two right there are pretty identical, and then this one's a little darker. Empress and Elizabeth. Yeah, if you want to do a pink look, definitely that. And they're all, well, 2 of them are mattes. One's a shimmer. The only thing is they don't have a good base matte to start with. Sheba's probably the closest one, and look how dark that is. This is a shimmer. We're about to have, so let's get started with this. I'll be right back. Okay, so Boxycharm. The only thing I have that I'm putting on, because everything was pretty much skincare. It was all skincare, but this and lip scrub. Well, that's skincare too. So anyway, so we're doing the Eloise, the Queen. So I really love that. A lot of, like, there's a lot of songs that's come out like The Queen, Kings and Queens by Ava Marie, all that kind of stuff. So it's really a thing and such. This reminds me of something. I can't remember what it reminds me of, but it does remind me of something. So we are gonna get in this. What are we gonna do today? I'm thinking we're gonna play with some. Well, there's neutral, and then there's those pops of color, and trying to figure out what I want to. Should have thought this out. Should have, woulda, coulda. Okay, let's see here. I think we're gonna go in with purple. We're just gonna jump in, and we're gonna play with the purple. So we're going to play with Regal first. Look at that. So let's see if this pops like no other. Because I can't. Hold on, guys. Let me put a little bit of base down. Just because I don't want this color sticking. I want it to go on beautifully. So. just going to get one of my nude bases. Okay. Just one for my little palettes. Okay, we're going to go in with Regal now. Let's try this. With my favorite blender, crease brush. Interesting. It kind of muted down. Not bad. I did expect that. I think I expected a little bit more. Not bad with Regal. Okay. Okay. I'm not yet. The vote is still out. Then I'm going to go on top with a little bit of Majesty. Thing is, she threw in the purples, but she's got the red purples and she's got blue purples. And so you got to be careful with mixing them. So remember that just because they're purple, they're on different spectrums, they can jack up what works for your eyes. Okay, I like that a little better. Oh yeah, okay. Then we're gonna go in, let's Papa Instapop. No, not Instapop. This is a Morphe brush. We're gonna go in with Honorable. Did I do Honorable or did I just do Amina? Whoops. Okay, yeah. Okay, I did do Honorable. I was like, oh, I did Amina. Not bad. We got some blending going on, which that's expected. I'm trying to wear these down so they don't irritate me so much. No. Instapop. Close. Oh, yes. Okay, so what kind of sparkle do we want to add? We did Honorable, we did Regal, Majesty. I think I want to do Jewels in the center. Right there. This is not a bad palette. It has a lot of variety. Like I said, it's a 30 pan palette, I believe. Yes? It's a 20 pan palette. I was like, that's Morphe size. So, okay. Then I think in the corner pocket, please. We're gonna do Empire. This, I could have done, I guess, Shiba in the base. Red Empire up here. Just to give it a little zhuzh. Little folly. It has potential. I don't mind it. I do like the hip dot design that came in Luxe. I think that was much more pepe. Look. But it has potential. It has fun. It has beautiful fall colors to play with. Definitely, you can make it that. You can even make it pop for the spring. And I mean, it's an all year round, really. It's really all year round, except maybe summer. That's my only, maybe not summer. But everything else, hey, we got you. So, that is my, that's the shadow that came out of the box. So that's what we're going with. The other ones are skincare, and I know a friend of mine's going to be so much crap, but I'm keeping, for myself, I'm keeping the lip scrub. I'm keeping the coffee scrub because it's coffee scrub. And of course we tried out the palette. So the skincare, so the ice roller, because I have another one that I like, and I like Kish, don't get me wrong. And then I'm also putting the skincare in a giveaway. I'm giving away a lot of skincare right now. A friend of mine would be so proud of me. I'm just saying. I can't wait till she sees this. But I love you all. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And please comment below. I always love reading comments, and I try to respond as much as I can back to everybody. So I will talk to you soon.